What shall it profit a woman, a wife, a spinster, a mother, a female in general, not to smell nice? Mhm. Hi everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. I am OLUWASEU'N'S, a mom to bathroom from Ondo State, Nigeria. If you are new here, guys, you're absolutely welcome. I will always tell you to subscribe to my channel. Stick around with me and let's roll this channel to the permanent side. Okay, to my returning view subscriber, thank you guys for always coming around and supporting your girl, Gracias. Guys, today I will be putting on the cap of a mother, a wife, a teacher, a counselor, a trained counselor, an adult, an aunt, a big sis, a big mom, whatever you feel I am to you. Because of the kind of topic I'll be talking about today is a very sensitive one, and I'll be bringing out a little bit of TMI. So guys, my gorgeous women, my beautiful ladies, can you please step in, make yourself comfortable, and let's get started. Thank you. Today, I'll be talking about the basic tips on how to smell nice all day from morning till night. Guys, it's not something we are not familiar with, but the problem is we may have been doing it and not doing it the right way, or we need to upgrade in some areas of personal hygiene or body grooming and all that. And that is why I am here. I'll be giving out some little TMI. Don't mind, don't care. We're all women, we're female, and we're comfortable talking about it. Okay, the males are also welcome because you can share this video with the women in your life. Thank you. The first tip I have here on my list is shower regularly. Obviously, we know that to shower regularly means you have to bathe twice a day or more, because in the morning you are expected to take your bath. At night, no matter how tired you are expected to take your bath, and not bathing alone. We have some pros and cons in bathing. Like as a female, we have some considered area. Many of us don't take cognizance of this. And the objective of this video is to smell nice. So we're going to be making sure some areas in which you start concentrating on from today. The first part is your hair loops. You have to go in there with your sponge, rinse it, wash the back, rinse it, wash, then the side of your nose. It accrues dirt. It's important that you clean it up. Your neck, you go in there, you scrub your armpits, you take care of it. Then moving down, we're all females, so feel comfortable. I'm doing a little bit of TMI. So you raise up your boobs underneath it, you scrub it, you wash and all that. Then you go down low, your belly button, your navel, use your sponge, you clean it, then you go down a bit. Permit me to remain there for a while. You squat. In your VV, you use water. I won't talk about that too much because it's not about that today. Then some people don't do this. After this video, madam, you have to start. Put in some soap in your palm. Go to the back. You have to wash it. You go that side where you do the number 2. You wash properly. Then you rinse it with water. My dear, we are still going down low. Your toes are important. They are part of your body. In between your toes, you use your sponge and you clean everything properly. Then you can stand up. You pour in your water, rinse your body properly, rinse thoroughly. And there's an important aspect I wanted to take note. If you are using the hot water, after rinsing with the hot water, make sure you put few bowls of cold water on your body, as in normal water, not ice water. So just put few bowls. By the time you're done and you're touching your body, you feel that kind of clean touch. You understand? So guys, the next tip that I'll be sharing in this video is oral hygiene. Can we all move to the oral hygiene department? Thank you. So obviously, we know that you are expected to brush twice a day. Even some people even brush more than twice a day. They take their time to brush after every meal. I don't do that though. Whenever I finish my meal, I gargle with water and I'm good to go. So while in the bedroom or in the toilet, at times when my kids are in the toilet, I use the bedroom to brush. While in the bedroom, I use my toilet basin to brush. And while doing that, you have to go in with your toothpaste. Ensure you are using a kind of good toothpaste. I don't want to start mentioning them. Make sure you are using a good toothpaste. Then your brush, I use 2 types of brush. I use hard and I use a medium brush. I use the medium brush for my set of teeth. I go in the inner one. When you can use your tongue to feel if your teeth is clean or not. You do this when you feel the food debris, that means it's not clean. Mine is not having that kind of feelings right now. So You go in the corners, up, you understand? So I use the hard brush. I sweep the tongue. I sweep it down with the hard brush. Then I go a bit deeper, and you understand? That's all. I rinse thoroughly. Then thereafter, the last thing I do in that department is I make sure I use a mouthwash. I use my mouthwash, I put it in my mouth and I gargle like that, like that, like that. I spit it out. Then the freshness is all there. The third tip that I'll be sharing to smell nice as a beginner in this video is moisturize your body with a scented lotion or cream. My dear, even if you are using Vaseline, let it smell nice. If you are using any body lotion, let it smell nice. If it is oil, let it smell nice. It is important. You key in the freshness you are coming in with from the bedroom with a moisturizer that is smelling nice, and everything is smelling. You are loving your body already without even stepping out. So the fourth tip that I'll be sharing in this video is use your deodorant or antiperspirant, depending on your body chemistry. I don't sweat too much. I use my deodorant. So I go in with my deodorant. I have armpit spray and I have roll-on, whichever way, as the spirit leads. I just make sure I'm using the fifth tip I'll be sharing as a beginner in smelling nice is you use your body mist. Your body mist should fall directly on your skin because we expect it to key in the freshness, the lotion, the body wash, the everything. You have to key it in with your body mist. You just apply it. So guys, at that point, you are good to go. You continue dressing. So the sixth tip that I'll be sharing in this video is how to take care of your hair. My dear, I want someone from the back to stand up and tell me what some of our genders will just wake up in the morning and look like Hayawa in a Pampa village. I want to know, darling, that hairnet, let it remain in your bedroom. We don't want to see your hairnet. And so in this 2024, nobody should carry hairnet from your bedroom to the sitting room. No, it is not allowed. That is an offense. When you wake up in the morning, take time, go in front of your mirror, pack your hair together, pack it and make it look nice. You can put a little bit of hair cream and all that, then you are looking good. Very early in the morning, you can step out. And talking about taking care of the hair, if you are a naturalista, we don't want anybody to look like somebody that is this year, this 2024, we don't want that. If you know you cannot go that route, I beg, relax your hair. Taking care of natural hair is a real work, huge one. I was a naturalista for 4 years and I bought a lot of products. My children, they are like, Mommy, this thing is not meant for you. Just go and relax your hair. Leave it for us. I still have like 2 naturalista in my house. So it's a huge work. If you want to be a naturalista, take care of your hair. Shampoo it. Use your coconut oil. Use your Avila oil. Use your rice water. I can start mentioning and all that. And if you are retouching your hair, darling, make sure you are washing it. You are shampooing. If you don't have all this product I'm mentioning, go to the professionals. We have professional hairdressers around. Make sure you wash your hair. It is an offense to put your hair or your head on the chest of your husband and it is smelling. God bless our men. They will not complain. They are enduring it for us. But this 2024, smell no more. Will not smell again in Jesus' name. Amen. So go to your hairdresser, wash your hair, condition it, put treatment, and smell nice. Then at least you can get your hair cream. Thank you. So guys, still on hair department, where we'll have our cornrows every 2 weeks. Darling, endeavor to take it out. I use wig a lot. I don't use cornrows. I'll just bond my hair. I put on my wig and I'm good to go. I'll use my wig cap. So guys, the last aspect of it, for us that is always putting on braid, it is understand that the economy of the country is not smiling. But despite that, you cannot take your braids more than 2 months. That is the max. If you are doing that, a criminal offense. And if I catch you doing that, I'll get you arrested. So henceforth, once you plait your braid and it's 2 months, darling, the last tip that I'll be sharing in this video is concentrate on your clothes. If you are doing all this that I've been mentioning in this video and your clothes are dirty, you'll smell bad. If you are using your clothes more than once, you smell bad. Use your clothes once, spread it out for those people that feels they don't want to wash. And if you feel you want to wash, personally, once I am pulling off my clothes, I am sending it to the laundry department. and that is how I do it. So I use my clothes once and I wash from up, in, down, 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 and all that. You understand? So, guys, we've come to the end of the video. These are the 7 beginning tips on feminine hygiene, or how to smell nice from morning till night, that I'll be sharing in this video. And I wanted to remember that we have different body chemistry. Try different products and let's continue to glow. At this point, I'd like to call it a wrap. If you really enjoyed this video, please go ahead to the comment section. Let's know what your thoughts are about some basic, we're not talking about the real hygiene, just the basic ones that can make us smell nice from morning to night. Go ahead to the comment section, drop it there, like this video, share with your friend, your family members, share with your haters, let them smell good. We want everybody to smell nice in 2024. Until I come your way next time, stay beautiful, stay gorgeous, and continue to smell nice. See you next time. Bye.